To configure a drawer unit, start with the basic field from the catalog. To start, click on Configure. In the first selection field, you can change the type of shelf. For other heights, select side frame with extension unit. Next, the height and depth of the shelf can be selected. When selecting the side frame cover, this is added to the top of all columns. The color of the shelf changes all accessories, side frames, and universal shelves. The color of the internals changes the color of the drawers and adjustable shelves. For Unit 1, the width of the first unit can be changed. The attachments at the back can be changed from a diagonal crossbrace to a back wall. A side cover can be added to the left. If a wall is required on the right, this can be selected at the end when configuring the last unit. An additional universal shelf can be added to the unit, or the existing ones can be changed to a lock and fixed shelf. You can select the locking mechanism for a lock shelf. The next selection, Drawers, changes where the drawers are located in the next steps, either over the entire height of the shelf or only under the lock shelf. The height of the shelf changes the height of the lock or universal shelf. If the setting is selected under Universal Fixed Shelf, the field for the adjustable shelves appears further up. These are inserted above the lock shelf. The remaining clear height field shows the remaining available height that can still be filled with drawers. The drawer height fields can be used to select the number of drawers to fill the shelf. To add another field, click on the right-hand side frame to display the same selection options as for the first field. To add the field, select a width again under Unit and configure the field. This process can be repeated as often as required.